Welcome back to today's more report on Wednesday, the 2nd of December, with me, Rich Perry, market analyst at Antec Markets. Let's look at cable now, and we had this jump in cable over the past couple of days, hitting a low of 49.90. You saw about 120, 130 tick rally on cable. And has it done a great deal to change the outlook? Well, again, as with the euro, I don't think it has. I think you're still in this negative configuration on the momentum indicators. No real improvement seen. You haven't really broken through any resistance. This is the hourly chart where you can see the initial resistance 51.35 remained intact. 51.25 was yesterday's high. 51.35 was that reaction higher from last week, and that still remains intact. And I think that the momentum indicators on the hourly chart didn't really get going either. The RSI sort of stuttered around 70, whereas sort of the selling pressure moves below 30. So that would suggest you're still in this sort of negative mindset. You've sort of rolled over again. And I think this once more, if you look at the daily chart, you had this sort of marginally positive candle where, yes, you had an up day, but you saw the bulls losing momentum, losing the impetus into the close, correcting quite sharply off the day high, and that sort of move has continued today, 20 ticks down on the day. So I think that the outlook remains pretty negative for sterling dollar. You've got in a little bit the construction PMI for the UK. That's about 5% of the economy. Is the construction industry, so it's a very small aspect for sterling, but it could have an impact at 9:30. But still, I don't think it's going to be that drastic. But I'd still be looking to use any sort of rallies on this cable as a chance to sell. I think you're going to get a retest of the lows. I think in due course, 49.90, and pretty much the negativities that's throughout these daily indicators would suggest that now. I think that is a fairly settled outlook ahead of the payroll support on Friday. So I think that's likely to continue, and for that to sort of turn around, I think you'd certainly need a move above 51.35 to really suggest that the bulls are sort of striking back. And at the moment, that doesn't seem to be happening. You're sort of more likely set up for a retest of yesterday's sort of intraday low at 150.50 before probably a drift back towards the low at 49.90. So I wish you good luck in your trading today, and I will speak to you later. Thank you.